Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 3LT in Arctic White on natural interior. So we'll just start over at the back of the vehicle. So this is the 2020 mid-engine Corvette. So the engine is just here on the front. It is a V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 490 horsepower, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This one also has the upgraded adjustable suspension, so that's what the wire is there going to the strut tower. And then further back we have a storage area where you can place items, or the glass roof that this one comes with actually clips in with these two clips here, and then there's also a clip there and a clip down there. And then also note we've got some LED lighting here in the trunk as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this one up. This does have soft close, so all I need to do is press it into the latch. It pulls itself closed. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package on it, so the Stingray as well as the writing here on the back is in carbon flash metallic, along with some of the other accents that go along the outside of the window here. In the center there, so that camera is actually your rear view mirror camera. So your rear view mirror can actually be a normal glass rear view mirror, or you can flick the adjuster switch below and it will turn it into an HD camera powered by that camera right above the glass. So from the back here, we've got the nice LED taillights. We've got the Z51 carbon flash metallic spoiler. We've got the quad tip. So there's two tips there and two tips on this side. So quad tip performance exhaust. And then we also have the reverse camera that's up here. Okay, so we'll just slide around this side. Here's your rear wheel, so it's in really good shape. As you can see, we've got the nice black Z51 painted calipers and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires on there. So over the passenger side, we've got nice leather insert paired with the Alcantara suede finish here. We've got the Bose Performance Series stereo with the nice brushed aluminum panel insert. We've got the 2-user memory with an exit button for the passenger side. We have our electronic door release, power locks, and our power windows up top. So over on this side, here's your kick plate. And as you can see, it's in really good shape. And here's your passenger seat adjustments. So you've got power fore aft, up down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. So notice the perforation in the seat. So that's for the ventilated seat, and these are the GT2 seats. So you can see here, there's the carbon fiber inlay, which looks great. And as they get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's check out the glove box. So the button's right there in the center, and we do have the books. So the books are with the car. It's got the nice black inside the glove box with the natural finish on the floor, everywhere. It looks just great. And have a look at the dash while we're here. Very unique styling to the dash, and with the 3LT you get the suede Alcantara finish that goes up and along the top portion. And then have a look, we've got a glass roof in this one. Very, very neat. So let's hop out and we'll close this side up. And we'll just scan from this side of the car to the front. Looks great. And also note on the mirror, we do have the blind spot indicator in the top corner there. They are carbon flash metallic painted, and they are foldable mirrors. So here's your front wheel. Again, looks great. We've got the Z51 black painted calipers and Michelin tires on there. So over at the front, we have the front trunk. So it's a decent size. You could fit a duffel bag or a briefcase in there. Great spot for it. We do have a 12-volt socket, so if you had a laptop in your bag, you could charge it. And we also have the washer fluid filler here as well. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. So it looks great. We've got LED turn signals, LED headlights, and a projector beam. We've got front cameras. So there's your curved view camera, and there's another one on this side here. And just generally nice styling along the front of this car. It looks very, very sharp. And then let's have a look, see if there's any stone chips or anything to point out. That will come off. That's just some fluff. Well, no, that comes off too. So no stone chips that I see. Doesn't mean there isn't one hiding somewhere, but overall it looks great. And I do see that we have 3M on here actually. So there's the seam. So this front half of the hood, and let's see, the bumper and the fenders are covered in 3M. So that's great. So we've got lots of protection there. If there is any marks, they should just come out. But again, I don't see anything there. So here's your front wheel. Again, nice Michelin tires, black painted Z51 calipers, and same thing back here. Looks great. So over at the driver's side, we've got the 2-user memory, we've got the exit button that's programmable, we've got the Bose Performance Series stereo, power mirrors, power folding mirrors, power windows, power locks, power door release, and the 2 trunk release buttons. So here's your kick plate. So there's a little bit of a scuff there on the front, but that's what the kick plate is there for. So it is working. So down here we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and I'll scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And again, those are the GT2 seats with the nice carbon fiber inlay. So let's hop in and fire this one up. As I get in, just have a look at the door frame, nice and clean. And here we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 3,454, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. So down here we'll have a look at the steering wheel. We've got the Z button, so when we press the Z button, that changes the performance profile there, as well as the gauges. So I can hear the exhaust port opening and closing. We've got our cruise control buttons here. We've got our favorite or track change buttons down here. Also note the nice Alcantara finish, and we've got the natural center point of the steering wheel as well. We've got heated steering wheel over here. We've got voice command, telephone controls, and then the arrow keys will control the dash. So all your different options here: performance, audio, maintenance, options, simplify. So those are controlled there. Down below you've got your volume keys. And then up top, we've got our paddle shifters for manual mode. Over here, we do have the heads-up display controls. We've got our electronic parking brake down below and our dimmer switch control. On the turn signal, we've got our headlight control. And on this stock here, we've got our wiper control. So down in the corner, there's your push button start. And then here's your radio. So we've got audio, which is AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth streaming. Phone control, navigation, so it's got full factory nav. There's your nav. We've got Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, apps, OnStar. We've got performance data recorder, climate control, camera. So there's your front cameras. Here's your reverse camera, and you can turn the lines on and off and switch between the cameras. There's your home button, and we'll just go back, and that looks like everything. We've got Alexa built into the car as well. So that's great. And then if I hit it in reverse, there's your reverse camera, and have a look down here. There's another quick button to get to the front cameras, traction control. Here's your shifter, so park, reverse, neutral, or drive, and then back to park. Mode selector, just really nice with the Alcantara finish, but we just twist this knob like so, and we also get the modes up here. So track, we'll go back, we've got sport, touring, my mode, or weather. So those are all there. And you can also control those here. So if we go settings, vehicle, Z mode, and my mode. So all the programming is done here. So my mode, you know, you can customize the brake response, suspension, steering, and engine sound the way you want it. So you could put the engine sound on track, and suspension on touring, and steering on touring, right? So it's a good, comfortable ride with some good sound to it. So along here we've got our settings for climate control. So we've got one zone here and one zone down at the bottom, and then we've got the heated and cooled seats, rear defrost, front defrost, power on, AC, sync is up here to sync the two zones together. So a very neat feature along there. And then we've got our cup holder, and we've got our key in here. So I'll just show you the key. So there's the key, lock, unlock, auto starter, and the two different trunks So very neat. And in here we have a USB-C, a USB, and an auxiliary line in. And then up here we've got the Corvette Stingray logo, and down below is a charging place for your phone. So you just slip your phone in there and it will charge it if it has wireless charging built in. So we'll just hop out with it running and have a listen. Wow. Good sounding machine. Oh, didn't quite close the door. I'll just get that. There we are. And here we are from the front. And we'll just scan down this side here. Looks good. Love the rumble on the exhaust. Sounds great. And there you have it, folks. 2020 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 3LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.